locked into this. These are locks from ye olde Ace Hardware. There's no getting out of this. Would you agree, Judah? These are solid. Okay, what I'm going to need you to do is I'm going to need you to hold this up. Spread it nice and wide to create a curtain, just like that. Great if you could lower your hand a little bit.
What?
Now, you all want to see fire, isn't that right?
Yeah!
We are going to get to that. But before we do that, does anyone know what this is? This is a bullwhip. You can read about these in the ancient manuscripts of the Indiana and the Jones. Now, what that sound was a small sonic explosion created by this. What that means is if this touches me, it hurts. Yeah. So, I'm going to attempt to cut a target that I am holding out of my hands. This was a lot easier when I had a girl on stage who would hold the targets for me. Scared me a lot less. If everyone can help me count. 1,
2, 3,
4. Okay, here we go. 1,
2, 3, 4.
Now, if I didn't tell you guys this, my name is Ivan. I am the last surviving, currently working member of Firestone Circus. For the next trick, I'm going to cut that target off of my head.
Oh no!
This is how I cut my hair.
Don't whip your head off. Cut the hat. Don't chop your head off.
If this works, I need you to applaud wildly. If it fails, please someone be filming.
Someone start filming. I really loud. Okay, someone's filming. Someone's filming.
I know that was impressive, but what if I could cut a target out of my mouth? I didn't think it was a good idea
There's a stage down there, that's where we're at.
Now, could somebody in the audience go ahead and dial 9-1 and just hover your finger over the other one? All right? We're going to give this a try. Yeah, you probably should, kid. I probably should close my eyes, too. You think I should do it with my eyes shut?
No! He's doing it! I don't think that's the best idea! It's so close.
3,
2, 1.
I want you to know, kid, I've never done that before.
Wow!
Is everyone enjoying the show so far? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I travel all across the country. This is what I do full time. This is how I make my living. After the show, if you guys liked it, I will be passing my hat around. If you could take a 5, 10, or 20 from your purse or wallet and give me your purse or wallet, it would be very helpful. For our next trick, we are going to be doing one of the oldest forms of entertainment, juggling.
Oh no!
Yeah.
No!
If I am to miss with a single one of these razor-sharp knives, my fate will be worse than Miss Lemon's. These are very sharp.
He says skirt in the air. No, he slides it. Yeah, he slides it. He says skirt in the air.
Hey, kids, a little note I didn't say earlier. Please, everything I'm doing is incredibly dangerous. Do not try this at home. Go to your friend's house.
Yeah, go to Daly's trampoline. Go to Little trampoline. Yeah, do it. Go to Billy's trampoline. Then whoa! Oh God! No!
Well, that was good, but you guys want to see something more dangerous, don't you?
Yeah! Fire! Fire!
keep waiting for the day that a child yells, "No, be safe." I don't think that's going to happen anytime
No,
soon.
be safe.
Oh, thank you. If only you meant it.
Be dangerous. Don't be safe. Fire! Those marshmallows don't look good.
Yeah, they don't taste very good either.
If the fire goes out, I'm recording it. If the fire goes out, call 911. Oh.
For our next stunt, we're going to be fire eating. This is incredibly dangerous, but don't worry. The fire is all fake. It's just a hologram. Like I said earlier, definitely can afford that.
That's not cool.
I would not advise touching the fire, kid.
Touch.
Leave that to me. I'm going to attempt to move this flame from one torch to the next. This trick is called ouchie, ouchie, ouchie.
Those are terrible marshmallows. And that's what you call a hospital trick.
I have no idea how that worked at all. I try that every show. It never actually works. When it does, I'm always very surprised.
Uno. Try it again.
Try it again. No, you got your one, kid. That's how I shave. Now, what if I could do that same trick moving the flame, but instead of my fingers, I used my tongue?
Yeah.
Would you guys like to see that?
A trip to the hospital. Now that's what you call a trip to the hospital. Yeah, baby, go to the hospital. Press it on his tongue. On there.
I know, that's pretty cool. Now, do you all want to see me put this torch out using nothing but my mouth?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1. You know, this torch looks kind of big. Hey, Judah, I got an idea. You want to be a volunteer again, Judah? Judah, sit back down. You know, yesterday during pub crawl, after the guy had left the pub, he came up here, told him, you know, hey, you want to come eat a torch? He actually was going to try.
I want to try.
No, you don't.
Is it yummy? Yum, yum.
It's definitely a hologram, 100%.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Eat the fire. Eat the fire. Disgusting. Eat fire. Eat the fire. What's the most dangerous trick you've ever done? No way. Free fire. Free fire.
Now, this row right here is what we call the 3D zone.
That's a hologram, right?
Definitely a hologram.
No, it's not. Why is it making snow? That don't look like no hologram. It's not a hologram. It's actually real fire.
Oh my goodness.
What's the most dangerous trick you've ever done?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have one final trick to show you guys, but before I do, I want to take a second and thank each and every one of you. This is what I do full time, this is how I make my living, and it's because of wonderful people like you guys that I'm able to do that. I've traveled all around and I never really felt like I belonged anywhere, and because of you all, I have a place I do. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it.
Free fire.
After the show, if you guys want to write down what you thought of it on a $5 bill and put it in my hat, I will read your comments. If you put it on a 20, I'll actually read it. Now, is everyone ready for fire breathing?
Yeah! Now that's good. That was gonna get it.
This is the most dangerous stunt that I can perform. If I mess this up, I literally can die. Hey, nobody cheered. People ask a lot what I use to breathe fire. It's ye old vitamin water dragon fruit. It says right here, breathe like a dragon. So far, it's worked for me. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Ivan. Thank you all so much for watching my show.
So he's doing. Yeah, we're mad about it. We're trying to get this man to the hospital all his night. Dry his legs. 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is my show.
Cool.